What's up, people? How's it going with you guys? Well, I'm right now at Miami. I reached here yesterday. I was a direct flight, Dubai to Orlando, and then from Orlando, I booked a chauffeur and drove all the way from Orlando to Miami. So it was nice. It was good that I had a very good chauffeur with me who took care of my needs in terms of refreshments, getting mineral water, fresh juices, and all that stuff. So it was an amazing ride. It wasn't tiring though, and of course, when you travel in business class, it gives you that luxury of getting that sleep, which is extremely important. Anyways, the main reason of waking up early this morning, it's right now 5:30 a.m. as I shoot this video, is to not just share my excitement, but also to tell you guys the amazing potential that online businesses have today. I mean, I woke up, the first thing that I do always is I check my dashboards for the sales that I've made on all different platforms. Like, let's say you talk about cryptocurrencies, you talk about Amazon FBA businesses, you talk about eBay, because I have a drop shipping business too. Then I've got my t-shirt designing business, and I've got my self-publishing business, which I'm really excited to share the news with you guys today. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the total figure of what I've made from all the businesses to today, because that's not the importance. I mean that's not the important thing. The important thing is how much I made from Kindle publishing alone in the last 24 hours. And you guys must be wondering what the hell is it, and why is that I'm so excited, to talk about it. You want to know how much I made? I made $7,000. That's right, $7,000 in the last 24 hours from my self-publishing business alone, guys. Isn't that amazing? I mean, I mean, it wasn't that I was shocked, to be honest, but I wasn't expecting to make $7,000 in one single day alone, you know. So that brings my total for this month alone. Like, today's 31st of Jan. So for this month alone, I've made more than $32,000 from my Kindle publishing business alone. I mean, for the ones who are just sitting at home and just wondering, what is it that you guys should be doing? What is it that you should be, foraying into? I mean, what more? What more is there to, talk to you about? I mean, it's just amazing, guys, how much one could do with all these businesses, and at the same time have the freedom and luxury to travel and, visit any country that you want, be part of prominent business conferences, network with the right people, upgrade your knowledge and expertise. Talking about the 10x conference, I've got my badge. Here it is. Ta-da-da. I'm really excited. Oh, and yeah, talking about closing business deals, this is another interesting topic which I wanted to talk with you guys. On my flight from Dubai to Orlando, I met a gentleman who is an entrepreneur himself, but not an online entrepreneur. He's an offline entrepreneur, and what he does is he trades metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. And he was sitting beside me in the business class. So after exchanging pleasantries, and after breaking the ice, when he started knowing about what I'm into, what I do, he got really interested, and he was like, you know what, to be honest with you, no matter what it is, I want to get started ASAP, because I've been a trader since the last 22 years. However, I haven't found anything fascinating as what you are doing currently. I mean, whatever stuff that you are into, like, let's say self-publishing, affiliate marketing, personal branding, then drop shipping, Amazon FBA, whatever it is, I just want to get started with you, you know. So whatever your fees is for mentorship, and here's the best part. Now, as I've already announced, you know, in my video earlier, that I've raised my mentorship prices as we speak. The prices for the self-publishing mentorship has been raised from $5,000 to $10,000, and for the affiliate marketing and personal branding mentoring, it has gone from $25,000 to $30,000. So this is what he told me. He's like, you know what, I want to get started ASAP. So what he did, he took out this bundle from his bag. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Took out 40,000 and paid me. Can you see that? Took out $40,000 and paid me ASAP. I was amazed, and it just showed me that there are so many people in this world today who have money but do not have the guidance, you know, do not have the guidance from which they can not only establish or start their businesses, but at the same time, you know, test their hidden skills, which hasn't been tested yet. So if you guys are waiting, if you guys are still on the fence, thinking what you need to be doing, what you need to be starting, get started, guys. At least start with one business. Start with the self-publishing business. Grow it to a good level, you know, where you make 10 grand every month, and then start diversifying into other different businesses. Believe me, guys, life is going to be amazing once you start having multiple streams of income, once you start having multiple businesses. Oh, and talking about books, if you do get time, read this book. It's called Search Inside Yourself. An amazing book, The Unexpected Path to Achieving Success, Happiness, and World Peace. An important book I would recommend for all the entrepreneurs and investors out there living in this hustle and bustle world that we all are part of today. We seldom get time to, you know, refresh and rejuvenate our minds, which is very, very important to keep our brain functioning and performing to its best levels. So check this book out, guys. Search Inside Yourself. The author's name is, it's an Asian guy, Shade Meng Tan. I'll show it once again for you. Go. Shade Meng Tan. So far I've completed like 10 chapters, and super impressed with the book. Amazing. So that's it from me for now, guys. Hope you've got some inspiration, and no matter what it is, don't delay your plans. Get started ASAP with whatever business it is. I'm not saying that you need to get started with self-publishing business, but self-publishing business is the most easiest and the most convenient business to get started out there. Yes, it does require a little bit of capital, but it doesn't require you to get started with millions or, you know, billions of dollars, unlike some other businesses. So start small. Start with a capital of, let's say, $3,000, $4,000, and then right up from there, gradually. Yeah, so you guys take care. I'll be coming to you with more videos from my Miami business trip. Okay, take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.